Check out this 2007 Nissan Frontier. Carfax has certified this Frontier as having one owner. This Frontier has just under 30,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 on the highway. This Frontier boasts a 2.5-liter V4 engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, AM/FM stereo, tinted windows, driver airbag and bedliner. Call 800-375-2970 extension 235. Or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.